What's going on, guys? This is going to be a super short and to the point video, which is kind of a break from the norm on my channel. This Friday, May 15th, starting at 7 o'clock Central Standard Time, going all the way to Saturday, May 16th at 7 o'clock Central Standard Time, we are going to be doing a 24-hour hacker charity live stream event. Hosted by Danny or Rando on Twitter, we are going to be doing this charity live stream event to benefit the Oceans Academy in Belize. As you know, because of the virus that cannot be named because it ends up getting YouTube videos censored, tourism is not exactly booming right now. Belize's economy depends entirely on tourism, and of course, the first thing that takes a hit is children's education. The Oceans Academy has been near and dear to the hacker community's heart. We've sent several people down to Belize to help teach network and technology courses to the amazing kids there, and they've really become part of the community. So when we found out that their school was basically shutting down and these kids' education was suffering, we decided to do something to help. It costs approximately $385 per student in order to give them an education through June. There are about 130 kids with the Oceans Academy that we're trying to get sponsored, and while we've received a lot of donations from some really amazing people already, we still need a lot of help. So we're starting this 24-hour live stream starting on Friday, going all the way through Saturday in order to help benefit the Oceans Academy in Belize. All of the ad revenue, all of the donations, everything is going straight to the Oceans Academy in Belize to help keep these kids in school. At the very, very least, if you can help share this video along with the tweets on Danny's Twitter page, far and wide as you can get it, just blast them out everywhere. That would be a huge help. We're trying to really raise awareness about this, so come Friday, people show up en masse and they give donations and they help keep some kids in school. All you gotta do is use the hashtag #BucksForBelize, share this video or share Danny's tweets about the event. His blog about the event has a lot of really good information as well. I will link to all of those in the description. So if you're interested in helping out, the very least that you can do is that. You can also participate. We said that we've got 24 hackers over 24 hours, but we're actually going to have way more than that, hopefully. You can participate in this event by creating your own live stream. If you've been interested in starting a live stream, it's actually a lot of fun. It's a great way to get your name out there and build your own personal brand. And, what better time than now? We're going to be promoting all of the streamers who use the hashtag #BucksForBelize and also have the donation link either in the title of their stream or in the description of their stream. If you're raising awareness for this charity and you've got the donation links there, then you're going to get promoted. That's a really, really great way to get your name out there, especially as an early streamer. It's very difficult to get your start, especially in niche content like hacker stuff and coding and things like that. It's very difficult to get, a really good core audience around that. So if you're interested in starting a stream or if you've already got a stream going on, this is a great way to get promoted and you get to help out a bunch of kids who currently aren't getting an education. It's pretty awesome. You can also donate monetarily. That's obviously the core reason for this entire event. So if you've got any funds that you can possibly give to this amazing school and keep these kids in school and getting an education, that would be amazing. Raising awareness is incredible. Doing these streams is incredible, but the entire core focus on this is keeping these kids in school. So if you have anything to donate whatsoever, the donation links will be in my bio and they will also be on my Twitter page as well as Danny's. Like I said, this is going to be an amazing event. At the very least, please just give us a shout out, give the hashtag #BucksForBelize a shout out, and show up on Friday and watch some really cool content. I know we've got El Cantaro building some really cool stuff. We've got Alex Stamos, the former CSO from Facebook, who's going to be on a podcast with somebody from the EFF, which in itself is a reason to show up for a 24-hour live stream. We've got a DJ, which awesome. Danny's going to be building some cool stuff. He's going to be hosting the entire thing for 24 hours, which I've done it before. It's absolutely exhausting. So he will need emotional and mental support the entire time. Just having people in your stream chatting with you, telling you to keep going is an amazing feeling. So at the very least, give this video or Danny's blog post a shout out. I will be linking to that in the description. Help raise awareness using the hashtag #BucksForBelize. Maybe think about throwing a couple of bucks the Oceans Academy's way and just help keep these kids in school through this horrific pandemic. It's already been horrible enough on society. Let's keep these kids in school. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, give this video a shout out or use the hashtag #BucksForBelize in order to raise awareness about this event. And we'll see you on Friday, May 15th at 7 o'clock Central Standard Time.